So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hello everyone.
So how are you all? I hope you are doing well. And how about you?
I'm perfectly fine. Where were you yesterday? You didn't make any video.
Yeah, because I was under the table. I was because because I'm under the weather. You didn't see my
Oh yes.
short video.
Okay. So you were under the weather. That's the reason why you didn't make a video. That's good. How's the weather now?
Now weather is fine and good. It's bit cold now. Now the winter started. Mm,
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you for
Should be.
letting me know. Okay, fine. So we will do the same
Why
thing.
you not all the time say thank you to me? Just say thank you, Gauri.
Yeah,
Say
I've,
thank you.
I've
Thank
already
you.
said that. Thank you for letting me
Every time, not in front of the camera.
know. Okay.
So
Okay, I will do that once you
yeah.
will be doing good things. So I will start saying thank you to you.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. So let's begin the session. Do not waste the time. Okay.
Okay.
So today I will give you a topic, and that topic would be fridge. We will talk upon fridge, right? At least for 2 to 3 minutes. That's more than enough, right?
Fridge.
Yeah, fridge.
Why you getting angry all the time? Say Gauri, I'll give
Because
you
you
today.
irritate me. You
Today
all created. Okay,
all
fine.
the time
Get
you
that.
put
You or
put
you
are
can do the exercise without me also. Start the camera and do your
no
exercise. Don't then.
without you
Okay, fine.
not
Then start the conversation now. Come on,
because
speak.
okay, today's topic is fridge. So I am fridge and my color is blue. I am in a long shape and I made up of aluminium and when you open me and then I have different compartment. So first is for egg tray, second is for bottle tray, and the third one is storage box area inside me. Then I have a very small compartment inside me. When you see the front side of me, then I have a freezer area. Inside the freezer area, I have a ice tray. After the freezer area, I have a plastic tray, and after plastic tray I have three racks, and after the rack I have a glass, and after the glass I have a crisper. When you put vegetable inside me, and then I protect them very carefully, and I have I have a button also where when you press it, then I defrost it, and when you don't press it, I continue my frosting. I have a magnet gasket. When you open and shut me, then it has a magnet gasket. It is very useful because air not come inside me, and I protect things inside me very carefully, and I am very useful for household purposes because everyone put food inside me. I protect their foods, and most of the time I use in house, but I am also used in commercial areas and commercial purpose also. So I am very important for everyone. Nowadays technology is so fast, and I comes with different color, different shapes, and advanced feature also. So that's me. If you like my features, then go and buy a new and advanced features fridge. So that's it.
It's a very good effort that you have put in, right? And I can see that you work on it, so I am really happy with it. Though you did some mistakes, right? That's a part of learning. See, all this type of practice you will do. I do not mind if you do mistakes, right? So at least you are doing the effort, so that's count. So we will rectify the mistakes after this session. Okay, fine. So this is the good try, and I am really happy.
Yeah, and you gave it to me on the spot, and I get nervous. So
Yeah,
I
you were.
have
I can see that you are so enthusiastic and so eager to take out the words from your mouth. I was seeing it. So just be calm, right? Just be relaxed and then speak. Because whenever a new person learn English, he's so eager to say everything, whatever comes in his mind. He was just want to throw it out. So just be calm, compose, and then speak. Okay, and just be relaxed while talking to the camera or while conversating with someone. So this is the thing you have to put it in your mind while speaking. So that's it for today. Good effort. So keep your good hard work continue, and I love you, and God bless you. So just wrap up.
okay. You say I love you too.
Chalo,
I
let's.
love you too, big
Okay.
fridge.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's end up the
So,
session.
so if you like our video and if you like my efforts, so like it, share it, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So that's it for today, and bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, everyone. You have a blessed day. Bye bye.